Hey there, science fans and art enthusiasts. Remember the Renaissance? It was this super cool time when art and science were totally best buds. We had geniuses like Leonardo da Vinci rocking both worlds, painting masterpieces and inventing flying machines. Well, get ready for a new era of awesome because we're on the cusp of another Renaissance powered by the mind-blowing world of artificial intelligence. At the heart of this revolution is Leonardo AI, an incredible platform that's like having a digital Da Vinci in your pocket. Whether you're a seasoned artist, a doodling enthusiast, or just curious about the future of creativity, Leonardo AI is here to blow your mind. Imagine typing a few words and watching in awe as stunning images materialize before your very eyes. But wait, there's more. Leonardo AI isn't just about creating pretty pictures, it's about pushing the boundaries of art, design, and innovation. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we dive deep into the fascinating world of Leonardo AI. We'll explore its incredible features and discover how it's transforming industries from gaming to fashion. Okay, so how does this whole AI art thing even work? It might seem like magic, but trust me, it's all about science. Leonardo AI is built on something called deep learning, which is a fancy way of saying it's really good at learning from data. Imagine feeding a supercomputer a gazillion images, from classic paintings to modern photography. It devours massive data sets of images, learning the patterns, styles, and elements that make each one unique. But instead of years, Leonardo AI processes all this information in a fraction of the time, becoming a master of visual language. Now, when you give Leonardo AI a prompt, say, a cat wearing a monocle riding a unicycle on the moon, it doesn't just randomly slap some images together. It uses its deep learning superpowers to understand your request and generate an image that matches your vision. And the best part, Leonardo AI is constantly learning and evolving. Every image it generates, every interaction it has, makes it even smarter and more capable. Ready to unleash your inner artist? Let's talk about one of Leonardo AI's coolest features, advanced image generation. With Leonardo AI, all you need is your imagination and a keyboard. Imagine typing in a detailed description of your dream artwork, complete with characters, settings, and emotions. Leonardo AI takes your words and, using its deep learning magic, transforms them into stunning visuals. You can also give Leonardo AI an existing image, maybe a quick sketch or a photograph, and tell it to enhance or transform it. Want to see your doodle of a dog turned into a majestic, photorealistic wolf? No problem, Leonardo AI can do that and so much more. And here's the really mind-blowing part. Leonardo AI doesn't just spit out a single image, it gives you multiple variations, each with its own unique style and composition. One of the things that makes Leonardo AI so incredibly powerful and versatile is its ability to mimic different artistic styles. Want to see what your photograph would look like as an impressionist painting? Or maybe you're curious to see your cat drawn in the style of a Japanese woodblock print. With Leonardo AI, the possibilities are literally endless. Think of it like having access to the greatest art history library in the world. But instead of just looking at pictures, you get to create with them. It allows you to blend and merge different styles together, creating entirely new and unique aesthetic experiences. Remember those old cartoons where the artist's hand would magically bring drawings to life? Well, Leonardo AI's real-time canvas motion feature is kind of like that, but even cooler. Imagine a group of friends, each with their own device, connected to the same Leonardo AI project. As one person sketches an idea, others can add their own touches, experimenting with colors, textures, and effects. It's like a digital jam session where everyone contributes to the creative process, bouncing ideas off each other and watching the artwork evolve in real time. This feature is a game changer for creative collaboration, breaking down geographical barriers and fostering teamwork in a fun and engaging way. Section 6, Beyond the Canvas, Leonardo AI in action. While Leonardo AI is an incredible tool for individual artists, its impact extends far beyond the realm of personal creativity. This powerful technology is already making waves in various industries, revolutionizing the way we design, create, and interact with the world around us. In the gaming industry, Leonardo AI is being used to generate stunning environments, characters, and in-game assets, allowing developers to create immersive and visually breathtaking worlds. The fashion industry is also embracing the power of Leonardo AI. Designers are using it to experiment with new patterns, textures, and garment designs, pushing the boundaries of style and creating cutting-edge fashion collections. And it doesn't stop there. Architects and interior designers are using Leonardo AI to visualize their projects, creating photorealistic renderings of buildings and spaces before a single brick is laid. This allows for greater creative freedom, faster iteration, and more sustainable design practices. Section 7, Education Evolves, Sparking Young Imaginations. Now more than ever, it's crucial to equip future generations with the tools and skills they need to thrive in our increasingly digital world. Leonardo AI isn't just transforming creative industries, it's also revolutionizing the way we learn and teach, making education more engaging, accessible, and fun. Imagine a classroom where students can learn about history by interacting with AI-generated 3D models of ancient artifacts, or explore the solar system by piloting virtual spaceships through a vibrant AI-created cosmos. Leonardo AI empowers educators to bring abstract concepts to life, transforming traditional lessons into immersive, interactive experiences. By integrating Leonardo AI into the curriculum, we can foster creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, preparing students for the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century. Section 8, A Universe of Possibilities. The future is creative. As we venture further into the age of artificial intelligence, the possibilities for creative expression and innovation seem limitless. Leonardo AI is not just a tool, it's a catalyst, a spark that ignites our collective imagination and empowers us to explore uncharted artistic territories. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their artistic background, can bring their wildest ideas to life with the help of AI. A world where creative barriers are shattered, and the only limit is the power of our own imagination. This is the future that Leonardo AI is helping to create. A future where art, science, and technology converge to unlock a universe of possibilities. We're already seeing glimpses of this future in the incredible artwork being generated by artists collaborating with AI, in the groundbreaking designs emerging from AI-powered fashion studios, and in the immersive, interactive experiences being created by game developers using Leonardo AI. As Leonardo AI continues to evolve and learn, its impact on our world will only become more profound. Section 9, Join the AI Revolution, Unleash Your Inner Da Vinci. So there you have it, folks. We've taken a whirlwind tour through the exciting world of Leonardo AI, exploring its incredible features, its impact on various industries, and its potential to revolutionize education. But the real adventure begins when you dive in and start creating. Whether you're an experienced artist looking for new tools to push your creative boundaries, a curious beginner eager to explore the world of digital art, or simply someone who appreciates the power and beauty of AI-generated imagery, Leonardo AI has something to offer everyone. Don't be intimidated by the technology, embrace it. Leonardo AI is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, with intuitive interfaces and helpful tutorials to guide you along the way. Think of it as your creative sidekick, ready to assist you in bringing your artistic visions to life. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner Da Vinci, embrace the power of Leonardo AI, and join the AI revolution that's transforming the world of art and creativity.